Hi beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to recreate this brown smoky eye using only one eyeshadow. So if you're a beginner at makeup, this is perfect for you because you don't have to blend 20 eyeshadow to have a pretty eye look. I will also show you how to do my whole face makeup routine. Even with this hot weather outside, you want the skin to be moisturized first. So I use the Sei Bella skincare line for my whole face. And also, if you don't have an FPS on it, you want to put sunscreen after. So first of all, I'm going to use the Ole Henrickson Banana Bright Primer. This stuff is so good because your skin is just glowing and it has vitamin C in it, so it will moisturize your skin even more. So I'm going to put this all over my face. I always want to put my skincare going upwards. I also like to press my product on my skin so it really sinks in. So for concealer, I'm going to use the ByeBye Under Eyes by IT Cosmetics. This is anti-aging, so it really doesn't dry your under eyes. I've used other one like the Fenty one and it was drying. So first I'm placing the product with my fingers and then I'm going to blend this out with my damp sponge. When this is all blended, I'm going to use my RCMA No Color Powder, this one, and I'm going to set this with my damp sponge. For my T-zone, I'm going to use a mattifying powder. The one I'm using is from Arbonne, because even if I don't wear foundation, I don't want my skin to be super oily. I'm going to use the Too Faced Chocolat Soleil for bronzer. I'm first placing lightly the product where I want it, and then I blend up. After a bronzer, I like to put a little bit of loose powder just to cut over here so that the bronzer doesn't go too far down. To highlight my face, I'm going to use my ByeBye Cosmetics Champagne Pop on the eye points of my face. This is my eye. I'm also going to contour my nose with the same bronzer, and I really like this because it is a more cool tone bronzer. For blush, I'm going to use the Morphe palette. I'm going to use this middle shade. I like to put my blush after my bronzer and highlight because it just blends everything together. Whatever is left on my brush, I like to dust it on my chin, my nose, and my forehead, so that it's not just pink on my cheeks. For brows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown, and I'm also going to put a little bit of powder after from Face Cosmetics. I've done a separate video on my brows so that my makeup videos aren't too long, so if you want to see an in-depth eyebrow routine, you can click over here. To set my face, I don't use a normal setting spray, I use a witch hazel spray. And this is amazing if you have oily skin. This stuff is highly astringent, and that means that it tightens the pores. So if you have dry skin, don't use this. But for oily skin, this is amazing. For my eyes, I'm first gonna prime my lids with the Pillowy's base. This will keep your makeup in place all day and all night long, and also it will prevent creasing over here, and also the color will be more vibrant. So when this is all blended and still tacky a little bit, I'm gonna use my Too Faced chocolate bar with this shade over here. So first of all, for a smoky eye, you really want your lid to be the darkest. I really like to use my finger for this step because I think that it picks up more product. After that, I'm gonna use a blending brush, and I'm starting on my crease so that there is no harsh lines. And with a smoky eye, you don't want to go too far up because that one can look too much. I really like brown smoky eyes because it is more wearable than the black one. I also like to use a clean brush and go over the edge so there is no harsh lines. I'm gonna put the same color under my eyes and really connect my lower lash line and my upper lash line. I'm using a black pencil on my lash line. Then I'm gonna blend it out with a small pencil. Just take any small brush and smoke this out. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes, put black liner on my upper lash line over here, and I'm gonna put some mascara. My mascara is from Sei Bella. By the way, all of my Sei Bella product, I order it online. My lashes are the Kiss Lashes 11. I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on it. By the way, if you want a darker look, you can easily just change the eyeshadow. I just don't like a darker smoky eye on me. My next video will be how to apply foundation, and if you have oily skin like me, I'm gonna add some tips to keep your face matte all day long. So if you don't want to miss that, please hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. If you learned something today, please like this video and share with your friends. And if you want to keep learning about makeup, you can click the video that will appear around here. It's about how to do a wing liner. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Friday. Bye! Qu'est-ce que tu fais, Liana?
Je maquille.
T'es bonne? Tu regardes sa caméra?